Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are making coleslaw from scratch. Very simple. I left a list of ingredients that you will need for this recipe at the end of this video. You need green cabbage, purple cabbage, carrots, and you will need mayo and a handful of seasoning. You do need salt, black pepper, some red wine vinegar. If you don't have that, you could use apple cider vinegar. Once you've added all your ingredients, you can go ahead and give everything a nice mix. And you can store this in the fridge for about 5 days. It should stay fresh. If you wish to make your coleslaw a bit more smokier in flavor, pick up some chipotle powder. I really just took a risk and I added some chipotle chili powder and it just amplified it. It gave it a smokehouse flavor as if you were going to someone's cookout. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Can't wait for you to make it.